Hi, let me take you through Covo commercial November progress. External works, both Othaya and Gitanga Road are around 80% done. For the sewer line for the Othaya and on Gitanga Road, also around 88% done. When it comes to the curtain walling, aluminium curtain walling, the scope includes the Aluco bond scope and the glass installations and the frames. On Othaya Road, it's 90% done. On Gitanga, it's around 60%. Plaster and walling for both, for all the floors, 88% done. Waterproofing has been completed at basement 1. Currently, we're in basement 2, so it's around 88% done. For waterproofing for the slab on 3rd floor, we've done waterproofing of the expansion joint. That's complete. Also, we have the electrical works and also the mechanical works, the plumbing works. That's also on 1st floor, we are at 88% done, and on 2nd floor, 90% done.